Hi everybody, I want to wish you a happy, healthy 2022. In this video, I want to teach you how you can fix some issues or some symptoms that you might have from your head or your head part. Some issues you can solve are maybe headache, insomnia, anxiety, depression, toothache, eye ache, or whatever you might have. Anything that's located on your head, you can fix. Okay, what you need to do is you need to massage some points on your head. I'm going to show you. The tool you'll need is just one knuckle or index finger knuckle that you clamp down with your other fingers. Then you massage right behind your ears. It's right behind your earlobe. If you pull back your earlobe, and it's right above your jaw. When you open your jaw, there's gonna be a cavity right there. That's where you need to massage. So you go like this. You push down onto that point perpendicular, so right into your head. You press in and then you shake it a little bit, slightly massaging it. The other point is right below that, along the jawline, and then the one next to it. That's right at the jaw. You'll feel it. It's gonna hurt a lot. Okay, you'll need to do that for like 5 times, 3 seconds each time. Then you have the other side, which you'll also have to do. Also the same. Press it in, shake it 3 times, then the other point 3 times, other point 3 times, repeat 5 times. Other than that, you have behind your head, right below the skull, you'll have a meaty part on your head. That's where you'll need to really dig in. There are 4 points here. One that's right below where you feel your skull. Then you just work your way in. You really need to dig in. It's gonna hurt like there's some needle in your skull. That's how it feels. Here you do the same, 3 seconds each point. Then these you can do 3 times. It's gonna help with the symptoms, with any symptoms that you might have, but most of them is gonna take some time, like anxiety and depression. Well, how I know, because I think I had depression for a few times, and then I just massage myself and it's better. Personally, I also have helped somebody with insomnia. That also helps. That person couldn't sleep, but then after a couple of sessions for like maybe a whole week every day, and he sleeps fine now. So you can give it a try if you want. No pressure. It's your body, your choice. Like the video if you liked it. Share it with a friend if you think it might help some friends. Yeah, comments down below what you think about the video and what you want to know next, if I can help. Okay, bye.